I'm Bill with DTE Energy. When extreme weather happens, there can be large power outages and plenty of questions about restoration times. Many customers track their status on our mobile DTE app downloaded to their phone. But still, there are instances when no restoration time is available. So why is that? One major reason is the bad weather is still happening. Before we can set a restoration estimate, we must assess the problem on your circuit, and we must do that safely. Any ongoing storm still in progress can affect that timing. Also, if there are down power lines, our crews must secure the areas around them first before assessing any other storm damage. Taping off the area and de-energizing is critical and our #1 priority, but that also can delay restoration estimates. Another reason is there's not enough daylight. Not only is it harder to properly assess damage in the dark, but it is also more dangerous. While our crews will be at work 24/7, darkness can affect getting that first restoration estimate. Sometimes it's the location of the trouble that slows getting an estimate, like in areas where our crews have more difficult access or where no bucket truck can get into. These are just some of the things that can impact your restoration estimate. But be assured, DTE Energy crews are committed to getting your power back on just as safely and efficiently as possible, and we will, while keeping our customers constantly updated. That's how DTE works for you. Be safe, and as always, thank you for watching.